at my face. I look like someone going to a Halloween party. Welcome to my channel, beautiful people. This video is about blackheads and charcoal. How you can use charcoal to remove blackheads, remove excess oil on your skin, and to stop the excess oil from clogging on your skin. Basically, how you can remove clogged pores from your skin. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button as well, so that you can receive new uploads from me. And thank you so much too for your support. So in this video, I'm going to prepare a homemade charcoal face mask. This homemade charcoal face mask is going to help to speed up the removal of blackheads from your skin, because blackheads can take a long time, sometimes weeks, months, or even years to be totally off on your skin. But with the regular use of this mask, it will speed up the removal, and it will probably take weeks, and then you will begin to notice a huge difference on your blackheads. Blackheads are small bumps on your skin. They are mainly caused by clogged hair follicles. Sometimes excess oil on the skin, impurities, or if you have too many buildup of toxins in your body, it can result to blackheads appearing on your skin. So sometimes they look like, those tiny spots, dark spots that are like really annoying. And they look like a form of acne, but they're kind of tiny, and they're like dark spots on your skin. Some of the places that you can see it can be on your face, or most times too, it can appear on your back. Most of the questions that I get is, can blackheads go away on their own? Well, yes, it can, but it will take a long time if you don't do anything about it. That is why that is where this exfoliating your skin comes about, and drinking loads of water and trying to cleanse your skin more often to avoid build up of blackheads on your skin. So you need to exfoliate your skin. That is the most important thing when it comes to speeding up the removal of blackheads on your skin. You need to do a regular exfoliation. It's very, very important. So one of the best exfoliating products that I would recommend that you use on blackheads is charcoal. The reason is because charcoal cleanses very, very deep, goes really deep into your skin, and it removes those excess oil, those clogged hair follicles that are causing you to develop your skin to develop blackheads. So charcoal will go and cleanse really deep into your skin, and makes the removal of the blackhead then easier. Kind of speeds the removal process of those blackheads. And when it comes to acne or blemishes on your skin, charcoal works really, really well. It's a very good exfoliating product to use on your face, whether you have acne, hyperpigmentation, the blackheads, dark spots. Charcoal is very good for removing them from your skin. One thing I like about charcoal is regular use of it will help your skin to be free from clogged pores, blemishes. So basically, it helps to remove impurities from your skin that causes your skin to break out and develop blackheads. So because I'm not a fan of peel-off mask, I'm going to do a homemade charcoal mask, charcoal fix mask, which I think work much better on your skin, because those peel-off masks, they take a lot of healthy skin from your face or wherever on your body that you're using it. And another thing that I don't like about it is it takes a lot of natural oil on your skin, which you need, and it then exposes your skin to infection and exposure. Your skin can get inflamed and very irritated. So I'm just going to use the ordinary charcoal mask that I think will benefit your skin and will help get rid of the blackheads, which I'm very sure that it does. Okay, so come with me, let me show you how to prepare it. So this is the charcoal mask here. I'm going to apply it on my face and leave it for about 15 minutes. Do I look scary? So that's it now. I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes and then I'll wash it up and see what my face looks like afterwards. So I can feel the mask. Oh, I can't even talk. I can feel it tightening up a bit. There's another option. If you want the product to be like, you can layer it like 2 or 3 times. If you really have a lot of blackhead on your skin. I don't have too many blackheads, so I only just did one and a half layer. But you can layer it more than 1 or 2 times, just so that the product can work much better on your skin if you have too many blackheads. But it's optional. It's optional. 3 more minutes to go and then I'll wash it off. It's really tight. Like I could feel it on my skin. It's very tight, and it doesn't happen with some of the masks that you use, but when it comes to charcoal mask, it gets really tight because it's drawing out all the toxins out of your skin. It's a very good product. I think everyone should use it on their skin. It's for all skin type. It's for all skin type. This charcoal mask is for all skin type. I love it. I will see what my skin looks like afterwards when I take it off, but it usually comes out well anyway. Another thing is, do you know you can use this mask also as a scrub? So what happens is, when you put it on and the mask is still wet on your face, you could just scrub it a little bit and then you leave it to dry. You use it as a scrub a little bit for maybe 45 seconds, and then you can then leave the product on your face for about 15 minutes to dry, and as a mask. So you can use it as a mask and a scrub, which is very good. 2 in 1. You're getting 2 benefits with one product. It's very dry now. Can you see even my forehead? Yeah, it's very dry. So it's time now. So let me go and wash it off and then see what my skin looks like. So it's washed off now. My word of advice is, if you're using this mask, please make sure you're going straight to the shower when it's dried, because it took ages for me to wash it off. But I don't mind, because the result, oh my goodness, look at my face. It's glowing. My face is glowing. Yeah, so I highly recommend that you use it If you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, fighting blackheads, blemishes, you just want to do a skin detox, this mask is for you. Because look at my face, look at my skin, it's glowing. Yeah, I love the result. Now, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and don't forget to like the video as well. Share the video to your friends and families, or to your page. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, Chika loves you. Take care. Bye. My rose water. Now I'm good to go.